Hi guys, good morning. So today is Monday, the Monday before Christmas, and I just thought I'd vlog a little today. Yesterday we went to go and see Santa at Santa's castle. That was a zoo, let me tell you. So I'll insert some footage now so you can see how crazy the mall was, and you can see how long the line was for Santa.
Hey guys, we are at Santa's workshop taking out a photo. Okay guys. Everybody's lined up to see Santa. Okay, this is the Santa line. Okay, we are leaving the mall because it is so crazy in here. Right? Is it crazy? Yeah, it's crazy. Well, at least we got to see Santa, right?
Okay, so you saw how long that line was, right? But we didn't wait in that line. We actually bought fast passes online a couple of days before, and you know, if you're going to see Santa and you have a busy mall like we do, I strongly suggest you take advantage of fast passes if you have that in your area. So we bought the passes online. So when we got there, how it works is the fast passes, you go in a separate line that's different from the regular line, like it's just on the opposite side of Santa's castle. And when we got there, there was like only one person waiting to take their photo, and then we were next. So that's how it works. Like whatever, you were given a window, so we were given from 3 to 6. You choose it based on what they have available online, and then you arrive anytime during that time, and you're guaranteed to just walk in, basically, unless there's someone else with a fast pass in front of you, which was the case with us. So that was our trip to Santa, and I'll just show you the photo. So woke up this morning and looked at the house and knew I needed to clean. I was cleaning over the weekend as well. Saturday was a snow day for us. We were kind of not really snowed in, but basically they were telling us if you didn't have to go anywhere, important to just stay home because the roads were pretty bad, especially in the morning. So we didn't go anywhere, and you know, that's why we did a lot of things on Sunday, which I usually don't like to go out Sunday evenings unless we're invited somewhere. I just like to get everything done and just relax Sunday evenings and prepare for the week ahead. But however, because of the snow on Saturday, we had to do Santa on Sunday, and it was okay. It's alright. We're okay. Woke up, got to school on time, so we're good. I'll just show you guys. It's like a sheet of ice outside. Okay guys, so I'll just show you outside. It's like a sheet of ice. I don't know if you can see through my decorations here, but I'll try to zoom in a little. If you can see the sidewalk, it's like totally covered in ice. That's ice there. It should melt today, but it was a little slippery walking to school. It's like a skating rink. So that's what we're dealing with here in Toronto. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the house quickly. I'm going to try to vlog. I'm not going to include everything just because it's hard to move the camera around and clean at the same time. It takes way longer, and I really want to get this done quickly. So, okay, so I just need to put our boots away. We need a new boot tray because I used our boot tray for our dehumidifier because it was leaking water, and then we fixed it, but I didn't want it to do it again because it, you know, it's not good for the floorboards. It raises them up. Okay, then that's not too bad. I'm just going to hang my son's spring coat, and I'm actually going to take them out of the closet and move it downstairs to the the basement closet. I think I showed you guys that in one of my videos, or no, I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I will be showing you guys that in an upcoming KonMari video. Okay, that's just their shoes, so I have to put them back in their shoe boxes, their dress shoes, I mean, that we took yesterday. So I let them wear their boots, because there's no way they were going to be wearing their shoes out in the snow. So I took it there to change, and when we got there we changed into their shoes, and then we changed right back into their boots after. This is their swimming bag. I have to put that away. I have to put their towels, the rest of their towels in there and put it away. They won't be swimming for the next 2 weeks, and actually because Saturday was a snow day, they got Saturday off as well. So a nice big long break. Okay, my kids, Legos, they put it away. I just have to move the tubs downstairs. And there's my Christmas tree. Okay, putting everything away here. These are my daughter's things. She didn't get to put them away yesterday because we had to leave, and then we came back, and it was like 8 o'clock when we came back because we had to do groceries as well. This counter was clear yesterday, but you know, we have a few things going on, so just gonna put the bags away and things like that, and clean up the kitchen. I'm gonna wipe down the appliances as well today, and just get everything looking sparkly, as I like to call it. Tidying up our room, the clothes, the bed, as you can see, unmade bed. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. It's the reality of having 3 kids. So, well, my reality anyways. For Okay guys, I am done. So I'm just going to show you the after. So looks way better. This is just my cleaning cloth. But basically that's my husband's water bottle, which he drinks from constantly, and then that's my cup that I drink from constantly, so I keep that on the counter. That's my lunch there. It's just a peanut butter sandwich and a clementines in that bowl, and my magic bullets, some other things out. Okay, then just some dishes I removed from the table are in there that I need to just rinse out quickly, and that is a bottle of wine sauerkraut that I bought I think before the summer and to put on our hot dogs, but no one likes it in the family and I don't like it either. No one's been eating it at all. As you can tell, it's basically full. So I'm going to be throwing that out and then just washing out the jar and recycling it. Just a few things I need to put away from what I was washing. I left that pot on the stove because it just has some oil that I used for frying. Not me, it's just frying something we make called bake. It's kind of like a donut sort of thing, but it's kind of like a donut, but you can make it sweet or not sweet. I'm not sure how to explain it. It's kind of cross between a roti and a donut. It's really small, and you can cut it into different shapes and fry it. So I will be reusing the oil from there for cooking because it is still clean. That's just a thing of big flour, like a really big thing from Costco, big bag. So that's in there, along with my spices are in there, extra spices. So I do have to make some room in the cupboards for them, but for now they'll stay there. Okay, this cupboard now, countertop is clean. So just my things here, some recipes. I'm going to be making chocolate truffles, so I think I'm going to try to record that one for you guys before Christmas. So hopefully I'll get that done before Christmas. If not, it'll be sometime between Christmas and the New Year. The good thing about this recipe is that you can make it any time of the year. Valentine's Day is coming up and it'll be excellent for Valentine's. Okay, then it's all clear, so just take a step back so you guys can see, and sorry about the really bright glare here. I'll try to stand here and make a shadow, but my window's right there and the sun's coming right through, which I love, by the way. Brilliant sunshine, but it doesn't make good for good recording. Okay, there's my gingerbread village, well, the kids' gingerbread village that they made and decorated. So each one of them got their own gingerbread to decorate, and then mini house, and then this one was decorated by my younger daughter, and then my son and my daughter decorated this one together. The older ones they shared because that one was bigger. So there's 5 mini houses all together. Every year we do something different. So last year we did Elsa's castle. The previous year, I can't remember if we did a house. I think we did a house, and I think some years we did a train. Another year we did a house again. So it just depends. And then we also bake gingerbread cookies. So that together, so that will be coming up. We will be doing that. It's my fruit bowl, and with just some bread here. Okay, I think it's Italian bread. Just love that. My paper towel roll. Okay, now the appliances, I did shine them. So as you can see, there are no fingerprints and no water stains. They are so super shiny and sparkly. When it's like this, I tell my youngest daughter, like when I'm trying to get her to clean and make things neat and tidy and help me clean, I tell her, let's make the house like Barbie's dream house, like Barbie's sparkly house, right? Because Barbie always has a sparkling house, right? So anyway, that is the dishwasher stove. So I just changed the towels. Okay, so let's move on to the living room. Okay, so I'll just show you the front entrance. I did tidy it up a little bit. I put things away. Actually, I'm supposed to put my purse away, but I will need that for later. I might be taking my son to karate. I'm not sure if my husband will or I will. Depends on a few things, but yeah. Okay, I still gotta hang that up. I didn't get a chance to do that, but his karate bag stays there. If you guys can remember from my previous Clean With Me videos, I explained to you guys that my son does Taekwondo. Sorry, I keep saying karate, but it's actually, I think, Taekwondo. He does it at least 3 days in the week. He can go more than that, so sometimes he does, but basically, mostly he goes 3 times a week. So I leave his bag there because there's no room in the closet, first of all, and second of all, there's just no point in trying to make a room for it unless I have a spot where he can pull it out easily without knocking other things over, which I don't have right now. So that's it. So you can see everything. I'll just take a step back. Everything is cleared off. All the chairs. Makes me breathe a sigh of relief. Okay, the table is cleared and wiped, and I just added a table runner, my Christmas table runner. And it's pretty much tidy here. Okay, and I vacuumed. Okay, and what a bed made. Just makes you feel so good inside. And I vacuumed a little bit. And the ironing board, I cleared it off of the clothes, opened the window blinds. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm going to end the vlog here. And I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this a little bit motivating or a lot motivating. Once you get started, that's the hardest part, and then it just kind of goes from there. You actually do want to clean after and find things to clean, or not find things to clean, but are motivated to keep going because you're seeing the results as you're going along. So I hope you guys will subscribe and join me on my next adventure. Next video, guys. Bye.